Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create your FedEx account in your mobile device. For that, firstly, make sure you have the application. If not, then you can go to your app store and download it. Here now you can see I already have the application, so let's hop in the app. Now you will be led to this kind of page. There you can see 3 options. We need to tap on the option Get Started. Now again here you need to choose your account type, either it is personal or business. For this video we will go for personal. And at the downside you can see option which do you plan on doing most, tracking, shipping, picking up or getting rates. Now you can choose the option according to your preference. After that you can tap on continue. Now here you need to fill down your contact information, that is your first name, last name, address, city, country, mobile and your email address. After you are done filling your information, you can tap on continue. Now here you need to create yourself an user ID and password. After you are done creating yourself user ID and password, at the downside you can see 2 boxes. You need to check on that and tap on sign up. Now you can see that my FedEx account has been created, and this is how you can create your FedEx account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.